She wants to say goodbye to you, ate.
Goodbye, Indy.
Nope, she wants the shoes. Say goodbye, ate. Give ate a big hug. Yes? A big hug to ate? Yeah? Hurry up, ate. You got your jacket. Don't forget to wear your jacket today, baby. It's cold.
I'm not going to wear it.
Ooh, you're gonna pick a present today. 2 presents. Let's go. Oh, damn, it's cold. It is cold, girl. Ooh, look at the wind.
Really cold.
Really cold. Wear your jacket, baby.
I'll wear it.
You okay? Oh, tingnan nyo yung dudong ko, guys. Akyat tayo. We will give this boy a bath. Tingnan nyo, ang galing na niya umakyat. Marunong na siya. Good job, Kuys. Well done, Alo. Do you wanna go? Alright, go. Ikaw din. Go. Go. Rice with Kuys. Siyempre, hindi papatalo tong Inday ko. Alright, go, go. Paliguan natin si Kuya. Ilang araw na yung hindi naliligo si Kuya. Tapos yung cast niya, hindi pwede basain. Kasi may ibang cast na pwede, diba? So, it's gonna be tricky. Baka sponge bath ko lang tong anak ko. So, yung routine kasi namin, before siya nabalian, nililigo kami, guys. Sabay-sabay kami sa gabi. Ngayon, hindi na siya nakakasabay kasi hindi siya pwedeng mag-shower. Kasi mababasa at mababasa talaga yung cast niya. Hindi nga pwedeng basain. Alright, go, Indy.
Tom.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm just watching Indy. Go, Indy. Alright, to the bath. Yun na yung dudong ko. Ang cute. Sabi niya, ako na bahala, mami, kasi si Indy kailangan mong kargahin. Hindi ko naman kinarga. Umakyat din mag-isa. Come on, go, follow Kuys. Follow Kuys. Tapos na ito maligo. Kagabi nga kasi kami naligo. Come on, Indy. To Kuya. Let's go. Tingnan mo si Kuya. O, nandun na. Oh, ganyan siya, guys. Go, Indy. Ngayon, mas mabilis pa si Indy sa'yo. Go, 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 go. Ito naman, ang bilis ma-distract. Go, India! Go, India! Suso nga anak ko. Ay! Bath time! Alright, mommy needs to think how we're gonna do this. Wait sa boy, ha? Ang aga pa eh, wala pang alas 9. Wait sa boy. Because you cannot get that wet at all. So, what are we gonna do?
Mommy? Mama?
Yes, baby?
You telling me?
Yeah, of course I can.
Put water, Mommy.
I will put water, yes.
Water.
Do you wanna sit? Wait. Hindi. Paano natin ito gagawin? Wait ha? We got a small bath here. And then we got this.
That's a small bath?
That is a small bath. You think you can sit here?
No.
Do you want me to get a stool? How are we gonna do this? Wait, guys, Alo wants to shower here.
That's not a shower.
Is it not a shower?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's not washing hands.
It's for washing hands. Finifeel ko yung tubig ng maliit na bathtub. Tapos yung gagawin ko, papaupuin ko siya dito. I'll make sure it's dry first. Paupuin ko siya dito and, yeah, sponge bath. I know. And Indy's here. So we will do this while Indy's here. It's moving. Oh, yan. Ilaglag niya pala yung transformer niya dyan. Kasi papalangoyin niya daw. Hello. Yeah, punuin ko muna siya para i-off ko na yan. Para walang splash ng tubig. Kasi nakakatakot yan malagyan ng tubig, guys. Kapag nalagyan siya ng tubig, mag-moist siya. Kailangan siyang tanggalin talaga para i-check kung ano na nangyari sa loob. So, hindi talaga siya pwedeng mabasa. Yeah, ito na naman siya. Hello! It's moving! Yay! Yeah! Alright, so mommy found this. Ito yung pang ano natin sa kanya, sponge. Not yet. Paano natin ito gagawin? Can you stay still? Here, oh. Toy. There you go. Do you want me to get your ice cream toy? Can you raise it like that, boys?
No.
Ooh, you try.
What?
No, not yet. I need to wipe this first. Wipe it with a towel. Or actually, put your leg here, okay?
No. I don't fold it, mommy.
Wait, boys, wait.
I don't fold it.
So you sit down and put your leg up here. The one leg. Do you want to try that?
No.
Huh? Just put your leg like that.
No.
You know what? Just stay there. I'm gonna get this wet and then do this. Zoom, 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 and kill it.
Don't put me in the pool.
I won't put you in the bath. No. What do you want to do?
Don't put me in the pool.
I can't put you in the bath. No. No, because we can't get this wet.
Okay, that's what my...
Yes, just wipe. That's a good idea.
Don't put me in the pool.
No, can't put you in the bath. All right, let's take this off. Take this off. And then, where's the soap? The soap here.
Mommy, got it.
This is perfect. So, paupuin ko lang siya dito.
Mommy.
No, you won't fall down. Paupuin ko lang siya dito. He can hold. And then, ganun siya para mawash yung kanyang ulo. Alright, do this. Good boy. Ooh. Okay. Nice. This is cool, guys.
My hair tie.
Yeah. Okay. I won't get in your eyes.
No, that's the in the back.
Yeah, kili-kili is very important. Kili-kili. Such a champ. Kili-kili again.
No, I don't just do that.
You can't go swimming. I'm sorry. You can't go swimming.
Why?
You can't walk. How can you swim? You can't even walk.
Then we floaties.
Floaties. Oh, you can't get your leg wet, man. Yeah. Sticks.
Take this off.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Go. Hold mama. Alright. Oh, who's gonna get it now? Wait. Good job, mate. You're so good at this. Alright, do this.
The hot?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, we will do that.
That's my phone.
I know. This is amazing.
This is amazing.
This is amazing.
My mom.
And then,
Ouch.
is it?
It's spongy.
Is it?
Spongy.
Okay, I'll just do this soft. Okay.
I can't like that.
Do this.
Hot.
It's not hot.
That's so bad.
No, but do this. Do this. Okay.
I have a shower.
Bath.
And I
bath.
have a bath.
Yeah.
And I have pool.
Good job, boys.
And I have horns. Horns.
Alright.
I'll chew my horn.
Smells good, boys.
Me too. I'm bald.
Do you want horns? You're
No,
bald? You're not bald.
No, I don't want horns.
You don't want horns, okay.
I think I'm bald.
You look bald.
No,
Okay.
like this.
Okay. That's pretty.
Oh,
Oh, you look so handsome. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good? Okay, that's good.
Like this.
Nice. Good job, boys. Alright, mommy's gonna change. Don't do that. Don't do that. Messy hair. Looks beautiful. Alright, mommy's gonna change clothes. You feel better now?
Yeah,
That's good.
like my hair.
I love your hair.
This noise?
It looks nice. I love it.
Yeah,
So good.
it's not haircut.
It is a good haircut, yeah.
I have so much hair.
You have?
Many hair.
You have many hair.
I think I'm bald.
You don't look like bald.
Okay.
No, you do not. How about Indy? Does Indy look bald?
And the cake bald. No, hair in the back. And it's not bald. That's hair. And it's not
That's a
bald.
hair?
Yes.
That's
That's right.
good.
And this is a good baby.
She is a good baby.
Mommy smiled to me. Indy.
Did she? That's good.
It's like, Daddy.
Can you say
Mama.
Mama?
Daddy said, no, Indy try downstairs. Mommy, Indy try downstairs, and Daddy's holding Indy, and Daddy's making Indy try, and Indy say, Mommy.
Really?
Yes, downstairs, and Indy try, and Daddy will bring me, and Indy try, and say, Mommy.
Oh my gosh, did you hear it?
Yes, downstairs.
Whoa, that is so cool. So she can say mommy now?
Yeah, downstairs. And Indy try.
You cried and you said mommy. Good job.
I don't like me.
Yeah, Kuya smells really good. You smell Kuya's head? Oh, good job, Kuya. You smell good and clean.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Kuya. You're welcome.
Yes. That's my turn.
Careful, careful. Do you want to go down? Oh my gosh, May. Well done. Bumabak talaga siya mag-isa. Oh my gosh, you guys. 12:31 na lang. Last vlog ko, sabi ko, di ba wala pang alas 9? Naalala ko. Mga ano na yun. 9 something na yun. Yung pinaka-last vlog. What day? I'm not day. Ito naman, oh. Kala ko, makakapahinga na ako. What? 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 Go to your walker, go. Go to your walker. Nana? You want strawberry? Kakatapos mo lang kumain. Okay. Ay, hindi. Ay. You wanna see the guys? Hi, you guys. Hi, guys. Hi, say hi to the guys. My gosh, kung i-vlog lang talaga yung araw ko from the moment I wake up hanggang sa paghiga ko sa gabi. I don't know. Ay, nako. Hindi ko alam. Iniisip ko 1 oras na lang. Aalis na naman kami. Meron kaming dentist appointment. Family dentist appointment. So, sabay-sabay na kaming lahat kasi pinapadentist na din yung mga bata. Parang darating si daddy ng 1:30. Tapos, alis siguro kami ng mga 2 something. Kasi susunduin pa namin si Ayla. So, we will pick her up earlier than usual. Kasi 3:00 yung dentist appointment namin. So, dapat ando na kami ng 3:00. Is that right? Oh, you broke it? Okay. Ay. Magiging ano na talaga ako nito. Bodybuilder. Sa kakakarga ng 2. Ito naman! Here, Alo. So, after pinaliguan si Arlo, kain. Kasi itong mga anak ko, wala namang tigil kain. Tapos, kapag kumakain sila, meaning you have to clean up after them. Lalo na ito, batang bail. Sus, kumain siya ng broccoli kanina. Well, binigyan ko din kasi ng broccoli. And ang broccoli, guys, alam nyo naman, sobrang kalat. Tapos madikit pa. So, yung vacuum ko, dumidikit siya sa vacuum. So, kailangan ko pang linisin yung vacuum. Kailangan ko pang i-deep clean yung kanyang high chair. That's our life every day. Because you love your food. Don't ya? Yeah? Tapos bigla na lang, Mommy, I need to pee. Oh, dalhin mo na naman. Kargahin mo na naman sa toilet yung isa. Tapos pag kinarga mo yun, tapos maiwan to, iyak na naman to. Ito naman lagi kasi. Kasi akong din. Nung nalaman ko nga na ikakast si Arlo, ay nako, sabi ko talaga, Lord, dinaan na lang talaga sa dasal ba? Lord, ibibigay mo sa akin to kasi alam mo kaya ko, pero grabe naman, Lord. Gusto ko na sumigang. I'm okay. Tutulo na yung luha ko. You okay? Ang bait naman itong dudong natin. Oh, he's doing his best. So we're good. Okay? Yes. Oh, yun na nga. Puno na nga. Ha? Yung Yakult, sure. How do you Yakult?
Open it. Open it.
Manners, mate.
Cheese.
Yeah, cheese.
Cheese.
Garo si Cindy. Ay, oh. Hello. Tapos sasabihin, hindi mo naman kasi kailangan mag-clean up, guys. I need to clean up. Or else, mabubuang ako lalo kung sobrang dumi ng bahay ko. Yung paborito niya kasi, prutas, gulay, alam mo yun. Kasi yung mga yun, hindi mo siya sinusubuan. Like, yung sa prutas niya, nilalagay ko dito. And it goes everywhere. Kasi yung nilalagay ko dito is either strawberry or mandarin. And it's messy, very messy. And nagsasplash siya everywhere. So kailangan mong tingnan talaga kung nasaan na. Kasi matatapakan mo, it's sticky. Yung ginaganon-ganon niya to. Yeah, that's right. That's what you do. That's what you do. But you know, what can you do? They love it, huh?
Let me see the bath is ready.
The bath? You already had a bath. Oh my gosh, that reminds me.
I think the bath is ready.
That reminds me. I need to clean the bath. So after ko siyang paliguan, diretso kami. Syempre, binihisan ko siya. Tapos meron pa to. Diretso kami dun sa kwarto para bihisan siya. And nandun pa pala yung bath. Kailangan pa natin i-empty yung tubig dun. Ito naman, ayaw magpababa. What?
I love you.
I know. Thank you, mate. I love you too. Did she? Oh, shoot, balls. Kasabi, kain ka kasi ng kain. Ito na naman. Clean up na naman. Alright guys, it's 1:20. Nandito na si Dan. Napatulog ko na si Indy. So, after ko siya pinatulog, nakahugas ako ng mga kailangan kong hugasan. Nagmamami na naman tong isa. You done? Are you sure? Alright, where's your water? Drink your water so you can brush your teeth. I got it. Kasi yung mga ganito maliliit na bagay, hindi mo siya mautusan. Kasi hindi siya makalakad. Okay, hey. I need to go out and figure out the pram. Good boy.
Bye-bye. Mommy, turn that up here.
Yeah, because I need to put you in the pram, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Why not Indy?
Indy and you. So I have to set it up.
Indy?
Huh?
You know how Indy?
Yeah, but if she's sleeping, it's good if she stays in the pram. Okay? Just wait there. I'll be back. Monitor pala ni Inday.
I just stretch my legs.
You can stretch your legs. Ito na lang gawin ko, guys. Bassinet and capsule ni Indy. Kasi yung gagawin ko sana, yan, at saka yung capsule. But it's just way too tight. But that one's better anyway. Maka-stretch yung legs niyang ganyan. Is this a good idea?
Yes.
Okay, you need to wear a jumper, okay? It's really cold outside.
No, I don't need jumper. You just...
Yeah, you can't wear pants. I'll just bring a blanket to cover your legs.
Yes, blanket.
Yes.
It's a big blanket.
Yeah. You need to brush your teeth.
I forgot my teeth. I don't like it. I love it so much.
Yeah, what's the dentist gonna say about your teeth?
Bad.
Bad?
Very good.
Very good, yeah. It's really good teeth. We'll leave it here, okay? So we don't forget about this, okay?
That's... Dito po siya.
Update, it is 2:04 guys ng hapon. Nandito na kami sa parking lot ng school ni ate. And kinuha na ni Dan si Ayla. And 2:30 pala yung appointment namin, hindi alas 3. For some reason, akala ko alas 3. You okay? We're almost there. And ang cute ng mga picture ng Father's Day, ganap nila kanina. So may Father's Day ganap kasi. So Dan stayed for a while dun sa class ni Ayla. Kasi Father's Day special kanina. And yeah, ang cute ng picture nila. Tapos ang cute ng message ni Ayla kay Daddy. Sabi niya, I love my daddy because he takes care of me. So cute. She's like, help! Ah, that's enough, Ayla.
What about, what about Coke or chocolate?
Coke or chocolate?
Fizzy drinks or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Just chocolate.
Just chocolate. Just chocolate.
These are great.
Yeah, we sterilize everything. Yeah.
Oh, so you use it to sterilize.
Yeah. So we don't have endless amounts of instruments, so we just put them through.
Yep.
Open wide. Look at this.
Great spacing. And top ones? You go really wide. Yeah.
Very good, Ala.
Yeah, look at that. Great.
Good job.
Really good. Do you want to polish as well? Yeah?
Do
We'll
I?
make them nice and clean too. That's really good polish.
Alright guys, we are home. It is now 4:47. So, kanina pa kami nasa bahay. But pagkadating ko dito, makiat ako para patulogin si Inday. So, pinakain ko and then pinatulog ko. And then I prepared Ayla's bag for swimming. So, siya lang guys ang magsiswimming ngayon. Because obviously injured ang ating dudong. Hindi nga siya nakapag-sports today. Kasi Friday sana today, diba? So, Ayla's ready now. Si Dan nasa labas, nasa phone. I will prepare the ingredients for dinner. So, dumaan kami ng shops kanina. Si Dan lang yung bumaba para bumili ng zucchini at saka minced pork. Please. Ito yung request ni Daddy na ulam today. So, miswa with siomai. minced pork at saka zucchini. Hindi ko ubusin tong pork, guys. Kasi kami lang naman yung kakain. Tapos, meron akong pork na pinapakuluan dyan. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Maliit lang siya kasi isang maliit na slice lang. Gusto ko siyang i-air fry. So, pakuluin ko siya, tapos i-air fry ko siya. So, meron tayong crispy pork on the side if daddy wants it. But kapag ganito yung ulam, happy na si Dan nito. Hindi nga siya nagra-rice eh. But maganda din to sa mga bata. Like, kay Indy, maganda din siya kasi may sabaw siya. So, perfect siya for Inday. And the kids eat this as well. So, it's perfect. Meron akong natirang garlic dito from last night. Napil ko na yan. At saka onion. Ayan. Ubus na yung ano ko, guys. Yung peeled garlic ko na isang bag yung binili ko sa Asian shop. Nagpabili ako kay Dan kanina kasi meron siyang inaasikasong property na malapit dun sa Martin's Plaza. Nandun yung Asian shop, guys, na maraming mga bentang mga Asian food, mga Asian na mga veggies na gulay. Nakalimutan niya. Sabi pa niya sa akin kahapon, punta ako dun. Anong gusto mo? So, request ko talaga yung garlic na peeled na. Isang bag sana din ipapabili ko. Pag uwi niya, nakalimutan niya. Ang dami niya nakalimutan today actually. Hindi niya dinanote sa diary niya na merong Father's Day kanina, special nga sa school. Akala ko alam na niya kasi ilang beses ko na siyang ni-remind dun. Pero buti na lang yung first appointment niya kanina is 11. Pero meron sana siyang kailangan asikasuhin sa bahay. Uwi pa sana siya. Tapos merong paperwork na gagawin. Tapos alis siya for his appointment. Pagdating niya nga doon, na-find out niya na Father's Day special pala. Buti na lang talaga yung first appointment niya, 11 pa. Meron pa naman akong garlic dyan kasi bumili kami ng garlic. Kaya lang, yun yung hindi, balat na. Tapos maganda yun kasi, ang dami kong garlic. Napapagawa ako ng garlic sauce. Nanonood ako ng Showtime. How's your food, Alo?
Good.
Good?
Yummy. 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 Yummy.
Lapit na matapos si Kuya, oh. Nagmamadali yung dalawa. Okay, okay. Hindi na nakahintay kay Daddy at saka ate. Ito kakagising lang nito eh. Diretso upo dito at diretso kain.
Make me different, Mommy.
Oh no. There's a toothbrush on top, guys. Ayaw, Arlo. Don't do it.
Oh, stop it.
Guys, late na. 9 something na. And day off kasi ni Ayla bukas kasi nag-email yung gymnastics na walang gymnastics bukas, may sakit daw yung coach. Ha? Yeah. I know. So they can have a late night. Oh, nandito na naman, oh. Sus, buyag-baya eh. So, naglalaro sila dyan, guys. Nanonood to ng footy si Daddy kanina eh. Kaya lang ginalaw ni Indy yung remote. Nawala tuloy sa footy. But tingnan nyo yung ginagawa ng dalawa. Diba? Sabi ko, stay kayo sa rag kasi si Edgy naglilinis. Kanina pa yung naglilinis, alas 8. 9 something na. Uy, good standing. Good job. Beautiful. Love you. Say good night. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Say good night. Good night. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Ito nang patulugin ko na. Kasi kanina pa bedtime nito. Kaya lang masaya pa naman siya eh. Masaya pa siya eh. Hindi pa siya nag-aayang matulog eh. So, hinayaan ko lang din. Pwede kaming mag-sleep-in bukas. Kami ng mga bata. Hindi si Daddy kasi punta si Daddy ng bahay. Alright. Good night. Good night, everyone. Tika, 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 tika.